Good morning. My name is Jessica Lynn, and I'm the owner of JessicaLynnOriginal. In case you've never worked with us before, we create beautiful hand-drawn clear photopolymer or clear stamps. If you've never used them before, I'm going to show you in this tutorial how the clear stamps work. You can see that they're all hand-drawn and beautifully cleaned up, professionally packaged. We offer quite a few different sets and featuring our Brentwood Owl. We also have dog rubber stamps, so for those of you that are dog lovers, we are currently working on an AKC series. We have Boston Terriers, Boxers, all kinds of other pups coming soon. We also have calendar planner stamps. We also create red rubber stamps, so if you've never used these before, these are the red rubber. So you can see they're actually mounted professionally. So if you're looking for a custom rubber stamp, we do offer the red rubber with the wooden block handle or without a handle, totally up to you. But you can see they're all professionally made. We do stamp the image up on top as well, so you can see which stamp it is from, your storage. JessicaLynnOriginal also creates self-inking stamps. So if you were looking for your wedding or for the back of your cards or something like that, we can definitely do that. We are in the process of adding this to our website, but just know this is something we offer as well. So if you're looking for something specific, just toss us an email and we'll go ahead and follow up with you. It'll be up on our website very soon. So today I am going to show you how to use a clear stamp. If you've never used a clear stamp before, what's really nice about them is that the clear stamps themselves are actually clear. So you can see right through them. So you can see my fingers right through. Okay. So to be able to use a clear stamp, all you're going to need is a clear block. Okay, so you can see the block is clear. I'm going to go ahead, and it actually sticks right to it. Okay, so you can see, I don't have to worry about, now I can peel it back off, I can move it around, whatever I need. Okay, so you can see there's the stamp sitting on there ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and take my ink, and I'm going to use some stars on. Now just know some inks might stain the clear stamps, but it doesn't take away from the actual use of the stamp. I highly encourage that every time you use your stamps, either use a warm washcloth or a baby wipe and just sort of wipe it down just to keep it clean. But if it does stain the color of the clear stamp, it's okay. It's because of the ingredients that go into making a photopolymer stamp, which is that clear stamp, that can, sometimes soak up some of the colors off of your ink. But again, it's not a big deal. It is okay. So for our sample, we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to take a piece of white paper. I'm going to open up my ink. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and take my stamp. And the reason I'm using the stars on, because I really want to show you a nice deep stamping. So this will actually give us a really, really thick, nice release when we go ahead and actually stamp it. So I can go ahead and I can see right where I'm stamping it. So again, the perks to this one, you're working on a card and you have a very specific place it needs to be placed. If you've got something that, let's say you're working on wedding invitations, and I work with a lot of brides who, you order your wedding invitations and all of a sudden you realize there's one piece missing. You forgot to say, here's the contact phone number, or here's something. We actually do a lot of stamps for brides where they can add on to their wedding invitations or cards, etc. Now I'm going to show you the part that's kind of cool about clear stamps. This is another stamp set. This is Brentwood Owl. He is our copyrighted character. We do have him available in quite a few different little costumes. So you can see there he's a reindeer. Here he is hanging out in the pumpkin patch, dressed up like a fairy. And this one's one of my favorites. This is our Brentwood Owl. You can see he's in military gear. Thank you for your service. This set was actually featured in Card Makers magazine last spring. Alright, now here is the best part about clear stamps if you've never used them before. So again, I've got this cute little ivy on the top. I'm going to ink it up. Now you can see when I go to place it down, I actually can see how I want to line it up. So I'm going to put it where it looks like he's kind of sitting on it, like a branch. So you can see I could line that right up, and now he's sitting right on there. Now what also is kind of nice about this is, let's say I have to match a pattern, I can actually see right where the old pattern left off, where the new one picks up, and you can see I can line them right up. This stamp set is one of our ones that we use for promotion, but again, we do have tons of Brentwood Owl available. We also have dog rubber stamps, as well as calendar planners. We do the self-inking, wooden blocks, geocaching, and much more. So be sure to visit our website, JessicaLynnOriginal.com. If you have any questions, please send us an email. If you like watching our YouTube, we encourage you to please subscribe. Click on the little box that has our logo, and it'll allow you to subscribe. I also have a couple other videos that'll show up on the screen, so you can go ahead and click on those if you want to learn more. Thank you so much, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.